Looking to Science Talk with Avery. I'm Avery at Lego Build at the Chicago Architectural Foundation, and this is my city in a city. This is my parking lot, my harbor. Inside the parking lot, there's an elevator that leads up to here. This is the housing. This is the play space. This is the mini market, the recreation center with the restaurant on top. And the recreation center is an arcade, a bowling alley, and a theater. And this is the running track where everyone runs around. Oh, and these are the solar panels. It's just in case there's a power outage in the building. And those little things on the recreation center, those show where the entrance is. Those are lights and solar panels. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Signing off, Science Time with Avery.